Hey, you guys. All right. Gonna start this year out with a how-to video. Now, to some of you, this might sound pretty straightforward and pretty silly that I'm explaining it, but you'd be surprised how many people struggle with little things. Regardless, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to set an automatic watch with a date properly, so you never have to worry about messing up any of the internal components. Some older movements and some more inexpensive movements utilize plastic gears inside. So when sometimes if it's in the wrong position, like this is a perfect example. I can tell just by the way the date is almost starting to turn over that this is most likely 11 p.m. it's going on. So that's the perfect place for us to start, because you never want to adjust the date here in older movements. Most newer movements, this has been addressed and is no longer an issue. However, still very good practice. So I want to set the date to today. It just so happens to be January 1st. Happy New Year's, everybody. First thing I'm going to do is wind the movement. See, yeah, I knew it was starting to turn over to 12. Wind the movement so that your hands are in the lower half of the watch. I tend to put it around 5:30, 6:30, everything straight down. That way, the gears inside are lined up in such a way that they're not going to be affected when you change the date. Okay, so I'm going to wind this up a little bit, pull it out to the second position, set my date to the day before today, so the 31st. Now I'm going to set my time and let it cycle all the way around and let the date flip over. That way I know for sure I'm on the right date, as well I'm in the correct time, AM or PM. So now I know I'm in AM. Now I can set my time appropriately. Let's see, it just so happens to be 7 minutes after 8 p.m. So now I know it's still in in the p.m. I don't have to worry. Done. And that is how you set an automatic watch, not hurting the movement, not hurting the keyless works, the date works. Nothing happens when you do it like this. I know it might be a little bit more tedious, but it's still quick and easy, and you're never going to hurt anything. So there you go. Quick little video for everybody. Cheers. Have a happy new year.